Wow, I mean, I'm struggling not to think that you've been here for 10 years.
Yeah.
But I mean, 44 billion shillings, just 5 years ago, you were a graduate trainee.
Yes.
How has it been? Has it been satisfying to work at the group? What has been your lows and highs during that time?
Yeah, I must say very satisfying, but I think more profound is the how we have been able to deliver these incredible results in terms of engagement. And I think particularly if I can highlight, last year I got the chance to work alongside James in one of our fundraising initiatives, and we were engaging with the CBA at that time. The finance director happened to be away, and there was an opportunity for me to work with James on that one. And I think what struck me most was just the energy that he exhibited during that period, and his approach to training. And I must say, as a leader, I picked one or two things from him about training others. So there's this phrase that he told me about, do it as they watch, do it with them, and then let them do as you watch. And I think it's a principle that has I have applied and has really worked very well in terms of me enabling my team in delivering some of these huge initiatives.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Alfred,
yes.
It's just because time is really short.
Yes.
But I think I need to write that quote somewhere. Do it as they watch.
Do it with them.
Do it with them.
And then let them do it as you watch.
And then do it as you watch.
Yes.
Thank you for watching. My name is James Mworia, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.